This morning in Legal Logic, from pooches in stores to pups boarding airplanes, we are talking service dogs. Back in studio this morning is our friend, attorney Brian Kuhn. Good morning, Brian.
Good morning, Will.
Good
to see you,
nice
as
to
usual.
Nice to see you, too. A lot of times you will, you're out in an event or you're out someplace and you'll see the dogs walking around. You see a dog working. Don't pet the dog. Where can a lot of these dogs go?
There's a difference between an emotional support dog and a service dog.
Right.
A service dog is protected by federal and state law. A service dog is a dog that is used to support a person with a disability. So if a person has a dog that supports the disability, that dog can go anywhere.
Okay.
Okay? There's 3 federal laws that protect service dogs. Rhode Island and Massachusetts also have separate laws that protect service dogs. If you have a service dog, the most common obviously is a seeing eye dog or a hearing dog and so forth. But the service dogs can also be used for psychiatric disabilities. A lot of ex-veterans have PTSD and so forth. Those service dogs can go anywhere. So, you know, you see a sign at the restaurant says, no pets, If it's a service dog, that dog can go into that restaurant, into that movie theater, into that airplane, anywhere.
So they're good to go any place?
They are good to go anywhere, okay?
Right.
The problem is that with service dogs versus emotional support dogs, okay? That's our little doggy, that's Gatsby, those are our little dogs that provide comfort and support and well-being. Those dogs have restrictions. You cannot necessarily bring that dog into a restaurant, into a movie theater, into housing.
Sure.
Okay? So there's a very big difference.
Now, I saw a story not too long ago where people, those emotional dogs,
emotional support dogs.
Some people were working the system to be able to get a certificate from a doctor or something so that they could put the dog on the plane with them, saying they have a fear of heights, they have a fear of flying, and this dog brings them comfort.
Okay. There's no national or state certification for support dogs, believe it or not.
Right.
You don't need a certificate, believe it or not. If it's a support dog, a place can ask 2 questions. Is this dog for disability? And also, what service does the dog provide? Those are the only 2 questions if you're a support dog. You can't ask for certification. You can't ask for what the disability is. You can't do any of that stuff. It's really protected, and you could be fined heavily.
Wow.
Now, if you have an emotional support dog, okay, and you want to bring Fluffy with you to the Caribbean, okay, you can. However, you've got to work it out with the airlines ahead of time. Almost all airlines have policies, but they've got to be fit in a carry-on. They've got to be fit in front of the seat in front of you.
Right.
You've got to go to a veterinarian 10 days ahead of time. You've got to have insurance.
And that would make sure that the dog has shots. The dog is medically okay to get on the plane.
Unless you're going to Jamaica. For some reason.
Really?
Yeah. For some reason, Jamaica does not allow dogs or support animals into their country. They just don't.
Wow.
Okay? Yeah. I don't know why, but they don't.
Okay.
And every country has different rules, okay? International flights, more than 12 hours. Of course, the dog's got to go to the bathroom and so forth. So you really have to check, but
So how do you get the okay? How do you get the service dog check mark next to the dog so that you can bring it?
Well, you can get a letter from a doctor, okay, or a vet. The vet says, you need this dog because you have a psychiatric problem, okay? And that's always the problem for the restaurant owner. You know, is this a psychiatric problem or is this an emotional support dog? Psychiatric, if you have a psychiatric problem, that's a support dog.
Right.
On the other hand, if you like to have Fluffy with you, because it makes you feel, that's emotional support, no risk. So it's a very hard
It's a crazy line. Well, thanks so much, Brian. And if you would like more free legal advice from Brian, you can check out Roadshow.com. And it is under the Legal Logic channel for previous topics that we've covered.